So hey, what's going on? Smoking with SKRUGGS here. Doing some indoor cooking today because it's no, if you can see it or not, almost 105 degrees outside. So anyway, this is what we're cooking. This is the last of the Simply Nature Aldi Chicken Sausage series. I'm gonna call it the series. This time it's mild sweet Italian chicken sausage. Raised no antibiotics, gluten-free, all that good stuff. Vegetarian diet. I had to cook these up. Actually, they ran out of date a couple of days ago, but they're probably still fine. But yeah, we're gonna put these in a pan. They're already cooked. You just have to warm them up. So that's what we're gonna do. I have no buns for these, so we're either gonna go with some Texas toast or maybe even some tortillas or something. But yeah, they have to be cooked up. So stick around. So these look like they've cooked up pretty good. Let's stick a just to make sure that they are cooked. Oh yeah. They look like they did really good in the pan. I'd rather had them on the grill, but that's okay. And I can't take this heat like I used to. Yeah, we're just going to take these off and we'll set them on this plate over here and let them cool off a little bit. Whoop, almost lost him. And I've got me a tortilla shell there. Well, not shell, but a tortilla with some mayonnaise on it, because that's what I like. I like mayonnaise with my sausages. But I'm going to put some Mile High Guy Sweet Reaper on there and some onion. But I just want to get the taste of it by itself. And I'm just gonna roll this up in the tortilla just like that. Alright, we'll let it cool off and we'll bring you back. Give it a try. Aldi sweet Italian sausage, chicken sausage. Alright, let's give this thing a try. The Aldi Simply Nature, I think is what it was called. Sweet Italian chicken sausage. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Tell you what, can't beat that. That's really good. It's not super sweet like a lot of sausages that I've had, even pork sausage. It's got a very good flavor though. You can definitely taste the sausage, you know, it tastes like a regular sausage. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll tell you, out of all the ones that I've tried so far, this one and the brats are my favorite. I really got a hard time picking between the two. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be getting some more of these. I could have probably just stuck these in the microwave, but I just kind of wanted that pan fried taste. I'd rather had a grilled taste, but it is what it is. Check it out. I mean, you can see it's got the stuff in there. Yeah, there we go. That's a little better. Yeah. Yeah. If you got an Aldi near you, looking for some chicken sausage, you don't have no skin on it, check out Simply Nature. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna make me one up with some sweet reaper and onions. These are good. Love them. Appreciate you watching. Keep on smoking. Thanks a lot.